Isn't it exciting to be single at 35, navigate all of life's journeys, relationships, career, everything solo? Is it or it isn't? Hi, I'm Shailaja.
Hi, I'm Shilpa, and welcome to our fifth podcast where we will be talking about 35 and being single. And I'm super excited about this topic because I think this is one of the hottest topic of conversation amongst people who are above 30 and who are not married. And I think
Yeah.
I've been there myself. I've been questioned so many times. And, who knows? We all know Salman Khan. He's been questioned n number of times about his journey of not getting married. So, yes, it's a big question. It's a big debatable topic that why people at this age are not getting married. So, Shailaja, what
Yes.
comes to your mind? What is the thing that people think when it comes to you not getting married at a particular age?
So first thing, the first thought that just came to my mind when you said Salman Khan is not married and things like that. I was like, I mean, do you remember this movie, Dil Dhadakne Do, where Priyanka Chopra just
Yeah.
tells, them, get a job, right? She tells those four family friends when
Yeah.
they were discussing marriage for someone, and she's like, just get a job. And I was just thinking, इतना time है क्या सोचने के लिए? ओके, दिस पर्सन, उसकी बेटी की शादी हुई, उसके बेटे की शादी हुई, उसने ये किया, उसने वो किया. How do they get that much time? But having said that, yes, we all of us go through these experiences, and I think it's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of pressure because you grow up, you study, you've done so much in your life, you achieve, you have a career, and you've done everything, and you are finally so proud of yourself and your accomplishment. And then that one question comes that, "Beta, shadi kab kar rahe ho?" It's so I mean, you wonder that is that the only thing that defines me? क्या
It-
वही एक आइडेंटिटी
yeah.
मेरा बाकी है?
And I think the
Right?
problem is कि शादी कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो is not a problem at all because that's like an solo or an independent decision that I might make.
Very personal. It's very
But
personal.
but problem is जैसे लाइफ में बहुत सारे phases होते हैं, our young age, then our schooling, our career, beginning of our career, then marriage, then having children, then old age. These are phases of life. So marriage is also
Exactly.
just a phase of life. You cannot make everything just about marriage. And
Exactly.
I think I've
But
been there myself in that situation. When I was really successful in my career, I was really enjoying. I was traveling across the world solo, and I was very
wow.
happy with everything that I was doing. But a question
Hmm.
आता है, तुम खुश कैसे हो सकते हो because you're not married. And if you are married, only then you can be happy. I said, whatever I'm doing to myself, it's really bringing me happiness. It's not that I'm denying marriage or I'm not seeking. But when it has to happen, it will. I don't want to stop living my life till the point I don't get married. But people don't
Yeah.
see that, right? वो ढूंढ ढूंढ के चीजें लेकर आएंगे, तुम में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी, तुम कुछ ना कुछ तो छुपा रहे होगे. आई मीन
Yeah.
क्वेश्चन लाइक तुम गे तो नहीं हो, तुम सेम सेक्स में इंटरेस्टेड तो नहीं हो, इज देयर समथिंग नॉट राइट, यू कैन डिस्कस विद अस. मतलब द कॉन्वर्सेशन कैन गो टू एनी लेवल.
Yeah. I mean, I am surprised that people actually, I mean, I don't want to use the word audacity, but that's actually, how can you even ask something so personal to someone? Right. And they may consider themselves very close to you, and that's why they take the freedom. But if you're someone who's close, then you'll give that space. Right. And everyone goes through this pressure. Like you said, sometimes being single is also like a very fun space.
It
And
is.
I know because I technically call myself, because I'm married to a shippy, I tell people, yes, 6 months I'm married, 6 months I'm solo, and I do everything that I wanted to.
You
And
still
I think I've got the best. I've got the best of both worlds, trust me. No doubt, obviously, the 6 months that I have, I get to learn a lot and I get to know a lot about, I become more independent, right? But coming back to the topic, there is so much of pressure for this one person. Okay. If you just consider one human being,
Hmm.
one girl or guy who's of marriageable age, there's so much of pressure from family, from siblings, siblings actually come up and say that, because of, if it's a younger sibling and they already have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, they come up and say that, because of you, my marriage is getting delayed. And I've seen such situations. And I mean, isn't it sad that, one person has to just get married for the other to get married?
Oh, ask.
Parents are not even thinking that दोनों का लाइफ जर्नी अलग है, राइट? 5 उंगलियां एक जैसी नहीं होती है, सब किड का लाइफ जर्नी अलग है। तो एक फैमिली से प्रेशर है, सिबलिंग से प्रेशर है, सोसाइटी से प्रेशर है, and this person has done so much in their life, they've accomplished so much, and they're just thinking that acha, marriage is the only certificate that I need to show to this world, not the other degrees and other accomplishments that I've had.
Because तब तक शायद आपकी लाइफ कंप्लीट नहीं होगी, until you get in married. Because I think I have gone through all these.
तभी भी कंप्लीट नहीं होगी, क्योंकि बोलेंगे कि
अच्छा.
अभी बच्चा कर लो।
So, I think it's very true, because I think I've heard all these remarks in my life. You know, शादी नहीं कर रहे because of you, your younger brother will not get married. Or, रिश्तेदार कॉल कर आपको बोलेंगे, you are a girl, you can't stay in this house, you have to just leave this house. I mean, I just feel you don't even stay with us. Who the hell are you to even call me and tell me कि भाई ये
That's
तुम्हारा
so sad. I mean,
it's
again,
painful, it's hurtful. They just say that for the sake of saying. They don't understand what they are putting on the other person. Or they will say, you don't even understand. I was told, तुम्हारी mom क्या suffer कर रही है, तुम्हारी family में क्या चल रहा है, just because of you not getting married. Even friends my age, they would say, you so selfish, you don't think about others. And शादी कर लो, try कर देखो. I just tell them, try करके, I'm not going to a showroom to try a dress कि अच्छा नहीं लगा तो मैं change कर आ जाऊं. It's something that I have to be ready to get into. I just can't get into a marriage because I am a certain age and I should get married. या फिर आसपास सब married है. The day I
hmm,
told my parents, I have that conviction from inside, even if I'm 50, that I like somebody and I'm ready, I will get married, because I don't see there is any negativity. I'm not spreading that negativity. You are thinking of negative things on your own. You are blaming me. And I know I've been a topic of discussion for a lot of family members, a topic of gossip for a lot of people. She's single, she's not doing anything. Kitna bhi successful or that doesn't matter. How can she be happy when she's doing this and that? So that's a very deep topic of conversations. And
hmm.
people don't realize when they're talking rubbish about you that they're impacting somebody's self-worth.
Exactly. That's what I was coming to, that people want you to think of your mother or your father, or, okay, what are they going through? What about what are you going through with all the
Nobody
questioning,
goes there,
all the
you
pressure?
are going through. All they talk about is तुम्हारे कारण बाकी लोगों को क्या हो रहा है. अब बाकी लोग जबरदस्ती का प्रेशर ले रहे हैं. यू नॉट कमिंग एंड आस्किंग मी व्हाट इज दैट रीजन दैट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू समथिंग, और व्हाट इज इट दैट स्टॉपिंग मी. Rather than asking me, everybody is gossiping around it, and it's painful to see people talking about all this thing. And like you said, उनके पास दुनिया में पूरा टाइम होता है to talk about all this.
या एक्चुअली कहाँ से टाइम मिलता है पूछना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इन मोस्ट ऑफ माई ट्रेनिंग्स आई गेट पीपल हु टेल मी दैट टाइम ही नहीं है, एंड आई एम वंडरिंग ओके वेयर इज द टाइम गोइंग।
And I think as an
एनीवे,
individual, what really matters is if somebody is happy. I think at the end of the day, if my day goes happy, if I'm enjoying life, if I'm not, spreading negativity, if I'm not
if
interfering
you're
in
growing,
somebody's life, I'm professionally doing good, if I'm independent, I think all these things matter a lot. But ये
या
सब चीजें society नहीं देखती है. All they see
आई
is
थिंक,
कि आपके
या
marriage certificate है कि नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली, आई थिंक वो अवेयरनेस भी नहीं है ना। सी, आई थिंक समवेयर द norm has been such, even if we look at the past generations, the norm has been such that okay, so you finish your schooling, then you become either a doctor or an engineer, and then once you have gotten a job, then you get married, and then you have children. I think, once the children come, then the grandparents become chill. And then the parents actually are waiting for the children to again become a doctor or an engineer. That's how it has just, that's the cycle that has been followed through generations. And somewhere the awareness is not there. Maybe it is there now. It's coming up, people are becoming more aware, and they do realize that each person is different. Each person is an individual who has their own choices, right? Decisions that they would want to make and conduct their life in a certain way. And happiness is not the same definition for everyone. Like for everyone, their definition of happiness is very different.
Yeah.
And if this awareness comes, then I think families would be more open, they would be more supportive, right?
Hmm.
Because see, most important is सबका family आपको support करे यार, है ना?
True. And
अगर
I think
family ही support नहीं करे तो बंदा कहाँ जाएगा?
And I think, you've raised a good point. Like, I think obviously like one size doesn't fit all. And वो awareness भी I think एक individual level पर आनी चाहिए. I cannot say कि जब society में वो change आएगा, then I will start believing. If I as an
हम्म,
individual, if I am a parent, let's say, of somebody who's 30, 35 or 40, maybe 45, whatever age, and my child is not getting married, if I am able to accept that fact, भाड़ में जाए
हम्म,
सोसाइटी, इफ आई एम एबल टू एक्सेप्ट दैट फैक्ट कि मेरा बच्चा सिंगल है, सोसाइटी विल not have a say. I'll tell you from my own example. There was a time, point in life where, my relatives used to call my mom every time, and then they used to tell कि बोलो उसको शादी करे, what is this nonsense and all of this. And obviously, वो इतना पोक करते थे, उसके बाद मेरी मॉम पम्ड अप होके रूम में आती थी, जिससे कि देखो लोग सुना रहे हैं, लोग ये बोल रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं. And then obviously we used to have a tiff, we used to have a very bad argument ki, first of all, who are those people to every day call you and tell. Second,
right.
that happened for quite a long time, and then I realized one day my mom just answered them saying कि probably उनको acceptance आ गया, and then she just said कि वो बड़ी हो गई है, उसको खुद की समझ है, जब उसका टाइम आएगा या उसको ठीक लगेगा वो कर लेगी. And trust me, from that day onwards no relative said that, because the support of your family is really important. अगर आपकी family इस चीज को accept करके support करेगी तो outsiders का influence आप पर आएगा ही नहीं. And you need to really understand, all this nonsense which the society is creating because of that typical stereotype, that same old thing that everybody has to do, उससे उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान की डिग्निटी, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, सेल्फ वर्थ सब कुछ इम्पैक्ट हो रही है. No matter wherever he or she is there in her career, in their progressive life, how happy they are, they're trying to bring that person down every level, which is,
Right.
I think, not acceptable at all.
Right, right. So something very interesting that you said was that, the moment someone called your mother and, said those things, that is when she actually came to you. So somewhere, this thought just came. Somewhere parents are actually okay if the child is taking their time to get married,
Hmm.
right? It is only when the society starts putting pressure, they also come back to you and then give that same, because they are getting that pressure. They're coming and, dumping it on the
रहते हैं.
children,
IT will,
right?
every time you go for a gathering or anywhere you meet your relatives, they'll keep poking. क्या हो गया? What's new? कुछ बात हुई, कुछ हुआ? What is going on? Affair तो नहीं चल रहा है, या फिर कुछ
Correct.
गलत नहीं हो रहा है? Are they sexually normal? मतलब conversations can go to whatever weird thing. या कुछ life में ऐसा कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर लिया जो अब छुपा रहे हो? That kind of a conversation. People can go to
Yeah.
next level. I mean, I've heard all those remarks and I know it's been painful, but yes, वो acceptance लाना family members के लिए बहुत important है, because जब तक family accept नहीं करेगी वो relatives घुसते रहेंगे बीच में, उनकी आदत है. That's how society is formed. People enjoy seeing other people in pain. उनको
Yeah.
मेरी शादी या किसी और की शादी से कुछ लेना देना नहीं होगा, but the point is they enjoy seeing somebody suffer, and it's like a gossip topic कि उसके साथ
Yeah.
ये
Yeah.
किया.
Yeah, well, the mind is such that it wants to get into, it's very curious. It wants to get into these
True.
spaces which are not very common, which are uncommon. कुछ हो रहा है तो, अपना टांग अड़ाओ, देखो क्या चल रहा है, things like
Absolutely.
that.
Absolutely.
So Shilpa, what worked for you? Because you mentioned that, you've gone through this and I really empathize with you in this space. So what is it that worked for you?
I think what really worked for me in this space was one, a very strong conviction that, I'm somebody who would do anything for my family. But in this
Hmm.
particular segment, I really felt that no matter what happens, I will not surrender just because, they're blackmailing me emotionally or people are saying nasty things. I will not surrender till I become ready, because it's a lifetime thing. You just can't try, like my friend said, कि try कर देख लो अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा.
I mean,
You know,
I can't believe someone even said that कि
yeah,
try करके देख लो.
seriously. And then I realized, I was very strong headed in this space that till the time I am ready, I am 100% sure I will not get into a relationship which is called marriage,
Hmm.
जब तक वो अंदर से नहीं लगेगा. And
Hmm.
so I was very strong with this. And for a couple of years, my parents kept poking and pushing and, coming to me and crying and emotional blackmail. And I one day very convincingly told them that, I'll be ready the day I am ready and I will come and tell you. I might be 50 then, I might be 60 then, I might be 45 then. I don't
Hmm.
care. But if I love someone then, or if I have that feeling that I'm ready, I want to be
Hmm.
with somebody and I don't want to be alone. And I just
Hmm.
want to be with somebody because I love that person. That's the day I
Hmm.
would get married. उसके बाद भी
Hmm.
क्वेश्चन आए कि 50 में इंडिया में कोई मैरिज नहीं करता. पीपल और
Hmm.
सोसाइटी विल क्वेश्चन कि 50 के हो गए हो अब शादी कर रहे हो. देन आई सेड आई हैव बीन टू यूएस एंड वहां पे आई मेट अ कपल हु वाज 70 एंड डेटिंग एंड आई रियली एडमायर
Yeah.
दैट. आई सेड अगर ये प्रॉब्लम है, इफ आई फाइंड समबडी व्हेन आई एम 50, आई रादर मूव आउट ऑफ द कंट्री. अगर वो भी ऑब्जेक्शन है, देयर आर ऑलवेज
Yeah.
वेज इफ वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट दैट पॉजिटिव थिंग. बट अगर हम हर चीज में प्रॉब्लम्स ढूंढेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम्स ही दिखेंगी. So when I said
Yeah.
a lot of conviction, and they knew ki, okay, now she's in a state where she can take care of herself, take care of her life. Because pehle I was very vulnerable, I was very scared of things and life and people. But then when they were also sure that she's getting stronger, she's a stronger person, she can take care of herself. That's when they started taking a backseat. So I think the question which you asked, in one word, it's that heart to heart conversation with your family
Hmm.
that you need
Hmm.
to have with lot of
Hmm.
conviction कि आप जो सोच रहे हो it's right
Hmm.
thing. जब आपको लग रहा है वो right है, 100% right है, then your family
Hmm.
will sooner or later understand that. But अगर आप ही
Hmm.
question mark में रहोगे, then obviously everybody will start affecting you.
Hmm. 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 True, true. So one thing that you mentioned that 50 हो जाओगे तो फिर कौन मिलेगा and all. I think even in that space, if you've reached a certain age, they say that okay, even if that person has a child, you are already old, so just
Compromise.
you, I think you can't be demanding is what they are trying to
हाँ,
say,
तब
right?
तो
And
compromise ही करना पड़ेगा, जो मिल जाएगा बस.
compromise, हाँ, and I find that also very appalling,
Of course it
right?
is.
I mean, marriage is supposed to be between two people who actually like each other, who maybe have some things in common, who complement each other, who complete each other. And, there is love, most important, that four-letter word, love, and all that. That's how you start the relationship. And then it ends up in marriage. But this is something where you've just cut off all those things and you're just saying compromise as a word and then telling that person to just get married to someone. That's it, whoever is available.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like, again, I come back to this point where you said I'm going to try on dresses, and I am just trying on the sizes which are available, or maybe the colors which are available. I mean, does that even make sense?
I'll probably, I'll probably just go through that if I'm just seeking it. That's what people say, and especially for
We
girls.
don't even do that in dresses.
Absolutely. I
Right?
mean,
How can we do that in life?
absolutely. And Shailaja, one thing I've seen, I have friends who are 35 and single and maybe beyond 35. And I've seen, especially for females, it's more painful. What they say, लड़के तो बड़े होकर शादी कर लेते हैं, but being a female, let's say you're 35, we have a family friend who's 35 and single and who's very successful in her career, very happy, a very beautiful person as a soul, I would say. And what people say, अरे लड़की है, even if she gets a rishta of a guy who's 50, who have two kids maybe, and she's single, कोई बात नहीं, उसको adjust कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि वो 35 की हो गई, it's a big deal. कोई तो मिल रहा है उसको, as if her life is ending without that person. So why would she go with somebody, one, अगर love marriage है तो एक अलग thing है, but अगर वो एक arranged setup है, why would she go for somebody who's 50 and have two kids until she feels like? But society क्या
Yeah.
बोलता है, तुम लड़की हो, तुम्हें कोई भी कुछ तो मिल रहा है ना, खुश रहो. That's
Hmm.
really very demeaning.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you're expecting someone to become a mother without the journey, without those emotions, without those physiological hormones,
Not
right? I
hormones,
mean,
consent. कि उसको ये जिसकी चीज की जरूरत है कि नहीं है, जस्ट बिकॉज आई
Right.
बीइंग योर पेरेंट थिंक कि कोई तो मिल रहा है, आज तो मिल रहा है, बाद में शायद नहीं मिले, प्लीज कर लो. दिस इज ह्यूमिलिएटिंग, आई वुड से.
Yeah, it's very humiliating. And I mean, I again, like I said, I empathize for her also that she had to go through this. Um, I think the society needs to be a little more gentler and kinder. Like, like Priyanka said, maybe get a job. But
Yes,
yeah, coming back to the support that you were saying, that, how family is the most important space, which gives us that support, which is there for us, which can at least stand up for us. Our parents are the ones who can actually stand up for us, because the moment you mentioned, the moment your parents actually sounded them off, after that, no one came in your space, in your aura, in your energy, right?
absolutely.
So, how is it that individuals, how is it that what is it that you did to maybe ward off uh, friends who would come and ask you, or colleagues, or other people rather than family? How would you ward off those conversations?
ट्रस्ट मी, पेरेंट्स तो एक अलग जनरेशन है, सो आई कैन स्टिल फील कि वो लोग क्या सोचते हैं. बट स्पेशली व्हेन
हाँ.
friends, they come and talk nonsense, it's more painful, trust me. I have heard
Hmm.
crap from my closest of friends, and they would talk nonsense because they feel all of a sudden you become selfish, you're not giving your parents what you're giving. They don't understand your perspective, they don't even want to know. And I've had so many such conversations कि एक point था, I just didn't feel like talking to my closest of friends because हर बार एक वही normal conversation, and it would turn into something really ugly, and those stupid remarks which you don't want to hear every time. And why do I have to owe you an explanation? You're not in my
Exactly.
shoes. So what I kept
Exactly.
doing is, like you mentioned about energy, I kept working on
Yeah.
myself. I think the more older you get, the more you
Hmm.
want to work on yourself. You want to connect with yourself. And I, at least for me, it worked. I entered my own space. I worked on myself. I started becoming the better version of myself. And the more I was
Hmm.
working on my energy, I was vibrating at a higher energy. अपने आप वो लोग पीछे छूटते गए, because now my energy was
Hmm.
much better than their energy. They were here earlier, I was here,
Hmm.
now I'm here. So obviously there's a
Hmm.
gap. Now we don't talk
Hmm.
that often. When we talk, they don't question me now because energy level change ho gaya. So
Hmm.
we know that everything in the universe is about energy. When you work on your energy, when you start becoming the better version of you, so the people who
Hmm.
don't fall in that energy level, वो अपने आप हट जाते हैं पीछे. And that really
Hmm.
for me. Self work, I would say, if I have to name it, it's like self work and like a real good heart to heart conversation with your parents. And what
Hmm.
really helped me in that self work journey was to explore and understand what is it that I really want as a person. I
Hmm.
started traveling. बहुत लोगों के लिए travel होते हैं to take a break. छुट्टी
Hmm.
पे कहीं जाना है. For me, traveling was not take a छुट्टी and go. For me,
Hmm.
traveling was, exploring parts of myself which I've never explored. Every time I was
Hmm.
traveling solo, I could connect with different part of me which, I never thought existed. And I
Hmm.
thought, wow, ये मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. Because when you are with your family, you feel protected and you don't do
Yeah.
a lot of things. Or because of society, you end up doing a lot, not doing a lot of things. But जब मैं अकेले
Yeah.
I had to manage a lot of stuff, like, wow, I can do this. And I felt liberated. And I was getting stronger and stronger and stronger emotionally, mentally, and physically. And when you become that, you are reflecting that on the outside. That's what your parents see. लोगों का डर क्या होता है शैलजा, यार आप 50 के हो जाओगे, आप 60 के हो जाओगे, आप अकेले कैसे रहोगे. इट्स
अकेले
वेरी
कैसे रहोगे?
डिफिकल्ट टू स्पेंड दैट लाइफ अलोन. बट अगर आपको
Yeah.
आप दिखा रहे हो कि मैं अभी खुश हूँ, मैं मैनेज
Hmm.
कर सकता हूँ अपनी लाइफ को, दे ऑल्सो सी दैट कन्विक्शन. एंड यस, लाइक आई सेड,
Yeah.
अगर आप उस हैप्पी स्पेस में हो एंड आप gradually you will definitely be in that space where you can be with somebody or you don't want to. It's again a very individual choice of being in a relationship, of getting married.
Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I do resonate with you. Like I said, because of our lifestyle, the lifestyle that me and my husband ourselves, the non-conventional couple that we are. I do get that independence for the 6 months that he's not there. And trust me, I have learned so much in these past 15 years as an independent person. Like, I've learned so much in terms of handling my home, handling my dogs, handling, everything around me. And also, so many things that you get to learn, right? So being single also has its, I mean, I think it has more benefits,
I would not go
right?
into benefits and not benefits because
Yeah.
now here I'm not telling people कि जिनकी शादी होगी क्यों करी शादी, but yes, at the end
That's
of the
true.
day here is that
Yeah.
it's a choice, it's always a personal choice. And as a
Yeah.
society, as a parent,
Yeah.
we should understand and respect that.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
wait कि
Very true.
सोसाइटी में क्या होगा. आई हैव गॉन थ्रू लॉट ऑफ पेन की लोग आपके बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं. मिस्टर एक्स
Hmm.
कॉल्ड माय डैड वुड कमेंट एंड मिस्टर एक्स अंकल कॉल्ड मी एंड वो बोल रहे हैं इट्स सो एम्बैरेसिंग. यू नो you are getting embarrassed because of me not getting married, but you can't tell somebody that why are you interfering in our personal space. You are allowed
Exactly.
that. So I think
Ex-
वो बहुत important है.
Exactly. Like, not you're like you are invading my space, my family space. And that is a conversation I think which parents will should now start having with the society.
Hmm.
So to summarize, the things that we can do, right? The things that we can do is have a lot of conviction within ourselves of who we are, what is it that we want to do, how is it that we want to go about it, what is our definition of happiness, what are the all the emotions that we want to experience in our own life journey, right? Talk to parents, have those hard conversations with them, seek their support, tell them how important it is to have family members around supporting every decision that we take. um, Energetically create those boundaries around us. I think that was very interesting, Shilpa, that you mentioned, how you have raised your energy, and that's how log chhoot jate hai na, because as you grow, so one of the trainers had told me that the more you grow and evolve, the more you work on yourselves, your circle becomes a
Smaller.
little more smaller, because those are the people who can relate to you, the others won't be able to relate.
Hmm.
So somewhere energetically you've created a boundary for yourself, and such thoughts, such pressures, they just ward off, they just bounce off, they don't
I
even
think,
come to you.
it's really important to disconnect with negative people because otherwise they are like energy sucker. वो आपकी पूरी energy suck कर लेंगे.
Hmm.
And I
Hmm. Yeah.
want, when I'm working so hard on myself, I'm doing everything to be happy. Why do I need energy suckers just to make them happy? So
Yeah.
disconnecting from people who are taking your energy, it's really
Yeah.
important. It works for everybody. फिर वो जो कुछ भी फालतू की चीजें आपको सुना रहे हैं बोल रहे हो वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं करेंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी,
नहीं
जैसे
करेगा.
रिलेटिव्स बोलते हैं ना, आई रिमेम्बर माय मासी यूज्ड टू से तुम्हारा छोटा भाई है उसके साथ क्या होगा, इसके साथ क्या होगा. आई यूज्ड टू से उसकी खुद की डेस्टिनी है. यू नो इफ ही if he is if there's somebody who loves him, or if he has to get into an arranged marriage setup, अगर उसकी लाइफ में कोई है वो मेरे कारण उसकी लाइफ से नहीं हटेगा. दैट पर्सन विल बी देयर. एंड इट हैपेंड. नाउ ही इज मैरिड एंड ही इज हैप्पी इन हिज लाइफ. तो यू नेवर एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन फॉर समबडी. उस बट लोग आपको बताते हैं. सो जस्ट बी अवे फ्रॉम दोज नॉनसेंस टॉक्स एंड कीप
Hmm.
योरसेल्फ एंगेज्ड इन थिंग्स दैट यू लव. तो ये सब चीजें आपको इम्पैक्ट करनी छोड़ देंगी एक पॉइंट के बाद.
Yeah, and even and for the society on whole, I think a little bit of spiritual awareness that every soul has its own destiny. Like you mentioned, uski destiny hai, right? If our
Absolutely.
society on the whole has this awareness that every human being has their own destiny, and they're going to be following that journey, no matter what we do, right? So if that awareness is there, then it will be easier. Navigating relationships would be much easier.
Absolutely. So, guys, we just wanted to talk about something that we thought is really important because there's nothing wrong. At least from my perspective, from Shailaja's perspective, there is nothing wrong if you are 35 and single because I know what it feels like. I have friends, I have family members who are 35 and beyond and who are single. And if you are happy and if you are accepting this fact, nothing else should matter. you know, लोग कुछ तो बोलेंगे, जैसे संजू मूवी में एक था ना, कुछ तो लोग बोलेंगे. So yes, people
हम्म.
will any which way say, no matter how happy you are. अगर सलमान खान को बोल सकते हो तो हमें तो बोल ही सकते हैं. So he's there where he has touched success to next level. He's dated the best actresses in the world. But still सब उसको आकर बोलते हैं, शादी तो नहीं हुई है. So you know, it's okay. Make your skin so thick कि लोग affect ही ना करे आपको.
Yeah, yeah. And the energetic boundary. I really like that
Yeah,
concept.
absolutely. So hope you got some insight from this beautiful episode that we did for you guys. And do subscribe if you haven't still subscribed. Do like, share, and comment, and share this episode with every person you know who's 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, and single. And spread this word of happiness with them because we are there for you.
Do comment and let us know if any experiences that you've had, and how is it that you manage it, because your comments will actually help someone else who's reading it, right?
Absolutely. So
So
thank you
thank
so
you
much.
so much for tuning in.
And we'll see you guys next Thursday, same time. God bless you all.